You've heard about the bridges, and you've heard about some of these pet projects that really don't make a whole lot of sense. And sometimes these dollars, they go to projects having little or nothing to do with the public good. Things like fruit fly research in Paris, France. I kid you not.
Except there's nothing to kid about in the work being done at the University of North Carolina, which is not in France, where by studying fruit flies, researchers have discovered that a certain protein is required for nerve cell functions to form and function properly, a discovery that may lead to advances in understanding autism. Our own Richard Wolff, also, of course, senior White House correspondent for Newsweek magazine. Richard, good evening.
Good evening, Keith.
All right, how could they let Governor Palin go out and mock research that has identified a genetic indicator for autism? Who was stupid or insensitive enough to let that happen?
Keith, I'm going to be as restrained and measured as I possibly can about this, but this is the most mindless, ignorant, uninformed comment that we have seen from Governor Palin so far, and there's been a lot of competition for that prize. Fruit flies aren't just to do with this kind of research. They are a standard scientific model in genetic research, along with a whole range of other organisms and cells, including mice, rats. I mean, there's nothing fluffy or funny about it. It's scientific research, and if you deliver your first serious policy speech and you make this kind of basic error, you either don't have a scientific advisor or you don't have a speechwriter who knows what they're saying.